rabbit's chasing after it. Eventually the rabbit beat her.
I bet the rabbit beat her, yeah.
The rabbit jumped over a log. Casey didn't see it, ran right into it.
You guys are pooped. Where's Casey going? Hey, big boy. Where's she going? Come on, little girl.
Nope, we're both done the water. Sorry, I can get him. Casey, get a drink.
A good boy. What a good boy. Yeah.